Okay, looking at part 2 of the leader selection process, which is where someone actually gets assigned to a position. The way that this works is we have to go to a position. So I'm looking at position 959 here, and I'm going to go to my openings, and I'm going to create a new opening. And I'm going to look someone in here, and I would know who my leader was, and I could search for them. In this case, I know it's this Jasvinder member fellow. I can add an application if I want to, but not a requirement. And here, and I can flag this as a leader opening. Right, so I now have an opening created with this person assigned, and I would come in here and edit this as appropriate. So I need to change the opening start or end dates. No awards would be required there. I could say I want to give them 5 days to respond to the offer. Notice that there is some other fields here for leaders. So if I'm going to say the overall salary is $23,000, and I probably also have to put some PAF documentation into here, because when the person gets their certify file of things they have to apply to, they would do that. So we'll say it's going to be a full-time position. The bi-weekly rate of $2,000. And if I take a look at this, and I think that it's all the information appropriate for this person, I can come in here and click on send offer to member, and once I do that, it will send the information to this person. All right, so take a look at that. Okay, here's the email that goes out. Gotta fix the dear field where that goes to the person. We can see got the fields we talked about before, some additional information pulled off of the project record. So the position descriptor, the position description, rather position record, position description. If there's work to be done, these fields pop up here as well. And if they're looking to be able to click in to see about the whole position, if they have the rights to look at it, they can call up and see those records as well. All right, and then from here on in, it's pretty much would be the same process as a member would you'd follow for a member, in the sense of creating certified documents that get sent out to them and get validated. And once this person accepts, they would be able to see the my team and my the JJ ERP screens. Hang on one second. So here's an example of what it might look like to look at the team with medical forms applications. We'll have to put travel logistics in here, and then the ERPs related to the particular position that might be there. Right, where they have the ability to update or print them out, take them with them, create new ones. And I also want to take a look at the group functionality for handling leader openings. Okay, so sometimes instead of, you may want to be in your opening records and creating, locating each person, but then might want to send out a mass update to folks, in which case we would go to, maybe in the recruiter's world, I'd be looking at the core functionality. And here we've got a list about leader placements, where I would be looking at the person. And let's see, leader placements, go. And again, I could be doing mass updates to send out, to update and send people out the information on any one of the fields we've got. Or if I want to do mass edits of some of the fields related to leaders, I could come in here and take a look at each person and make adjustments to all of these different things that go out for them. All right, thanks.